The government is intensifying its efforts against the spread of fake news online, particularly content targeting public figures and institutions. With this, the National Bureau of Investigation, or NBI, is now actively filing cases against vloggers, including overseas Filipino workers involved in disseminating misleading content. PTV's Isaiah Mirafuentes has the report.
To be arrested right at the airport, that will be the action the National Bureau of Investigation, or NBI, will take against overseas Filipino workers, or OFWs, spreading fake news. This will be implemented once the Department of Justice, or DOJ, issues a warrant of arrest against them. The NBS is concerned because most of the so-called fake news peddlers are OFWs. According to NBI spokesperson Ferdinand Lavin, cyber patrolling or monitoring cyberspace is the current action being taken by their agency to fight fake news.
Well, patuloy lang kaming mag-iimbestiga at magsasampa ng kaso para malaman nila na ang gobyerno ay may pagkilos patungkol sa mga ganitong maling gawain na naghihikayat sa ating mga kababayan na sumuway o hindi sumunod o kaya ay gumawa ng hindi tama against legitimate government or authorities.
The NBI also stated that anyone who will be charged for spreading fake news will immediately have a bad hit under NBI clearance. Regarding the case recently filed against the former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque after he allegedly spearheaded the spread of what is now known as the Pulveron video, according to the NBI, they are just waiting for the resolution from the DOJ regarding their next step, while they are also coordinating with the Department of Foreign Affairs, or DFA, for the possible arrest of Roque.
Ang iba-ibang sangay ng gobyerno ay nagtutulong-tulong kami. Ang inyong PNP, ang NBI, ang PIDG, ang DICT. Upang ito ay matapos na, binibigyan ito namin ng kaukulang pansin. At hindi namin pababayaan yung aming mga kasong na-rekomenda sa Department of Justice. At patuloy na mag-iimbestiga kami.
It can be recalled that yesterday the NBI filed a case before the DOJ against vloggers spreading fake news. Prior to this, the NBI also filed a case against an OFW in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for spreading fake news against NBI Director Jaime Santiago. Meanwhile, according to Senator Sherwin Gatchalian, fake news is damaging and should not be tolerated, especially when our digital spaces are under attack. No one, even those abroad, should escape accountability, and those who spread false information and undermine the integrity of the government must be immediately punished. From PTV Manila, Isaiah Mirafuentes, Balitang Pambansa.